टिप्रा मोथा दल के नेताओं ने ग्राम समिति चुनाव पर एक महत्वपूर्ण प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस का आयोजन किया।
Which has been created by the state government, confusing the rural areas, trying to blindfold us in an excuse point of inclusion of 22,000 group voters. So far, in more than 1 year time, they have been able to do only 5,000. So out of 22,000, do they mean to tell the state's voters, population, that for all 22,000, they will need 3 years more? And by, their aim and object is very clear, to avoid the village development. Unless and until the village development committee is constitutionally formed, it is difficult for the village people to have some development work. Today, I am with my honorable colleagues here. We are really sorry to say that the ruling, both central and state government, have displayed their ill will to rural villages in Tripura by pushing away its due time of 1 year back, and today going to be more than 1 year. And this is truly, we want to highlight and display their denial of the development of the state. They are able to do municipality council and other municipality bodies in over the state, but they are denying the most rural, untouched and undeveloped areas out of election of the village committee. The village committee is the constitutional bodies which is responsible to extend development works through government programs. And today, as Tipra Motha party, we are here to tell the people of Tripura, are you happy? Are we happy with the ruling intention of denying the rights of people to have development work through village communities? And we are here respecting our Honorable Chairman, Maharaj Pradip Kishore Manikko, who have guided us and told us about his pain, about his mindset also, that we should come together more and more unitedly. Therefore, Tipra Motha is strongly condemning the process of the state government by denying the rights of the people